Good morning, students. Now started cyanide formula CN. Formula CN preparation. First from alkyl halide. Alkyl halides. That alkyl halide means is treatment with sodium cyanide or potassium cyanide to form the carbon-carbon bond is new carbon-carbon bond is formed. For example, KCN alkyl cyanide formula CH3 CH2 Br gas. Potassium and Br is removed. KBr removed. Remaining CH3 CH2 Cn. That carbon to carbon new bond is formed. That name is propane nitrate. 1, 2, 3 carbon. 3 carbon means propane. Cn name is called nitrile. Propane nitrile. Second preparation, dehydration of primary amide and aldoxymes with phosphorus pentoxide. Primary amide means example CH3 CONH2, phosphorus pentoxide formula P2O5. What happened? Then minus H2O, that hydrogen and oxygen removed, remaining CH3 Cn. Next, acetoxymes. CH3CH double bond NHOH, acetoxymes. The similar reactions, hydrogen minus H2O, and hydrogens. OH and hydrogen will be removed, remaining CH3Cn. Next, third reactions. Dehydration of ammonia carboxylated CH3COONH4, ammonium acetate. Dehydration means phosphorus pentoxide minus H2O. How many? 4 hydrogens. So 2 times will be removed, remaining CH3Cn. Fourth preparation from Grignard reagents. Grignard reagent means methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide react with cyanide chloride. Prepared from Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide react with cyanide chloride. Removed CH3Cn, remaining MgBrCl. That preparation is over. Physical properties. Lower numbers up to carbon 14 are colorless liquid. Strong catalytic characteristics in sweet smell. The higher numbers of are crystalline solids. Up to 14 is the colorless liquid. That higher numbers of crystalline solid. They are modulated soluble in water but freely soluble in organic solvent. They are poisonous, so very dangerous. Don't touch in the tongue also. They have higher boiling points and analytes in acetylines due to the high dipole moments. That one mark said asked. Chemical properties. First one, hydrolysis. Cyanide means CH3Cn. Hydrolysis used H2O. In presence of catalyst, hydrogen peroxide and base. Partially hydrolysis only and fully partially hydrolysis. Partially hydrolysis means left side added O, right side added H2, CH3 CO NH2. Again, completely hydrolysis with acid hydrolysis. Book is given two times, not two times, only one time. Completely hydrolysis. Here breaking. Left side added OH, right side added hydrogens. So removal of ammonia. Remaining CH3 COOH. Acetic acid will be prepared. In partial means acetamide will be prepared. Partial means acetamide. Completely means acetic acid prepared. Second term reduction. CH3 CN plus 4 hydrogens. CH3 CN plus 4 hydrogen in the presence of catalyst nickel. So what obtained? That both side 2 hydrogen added CH3 CH2 NH2. Name is called ethylamine. Ethylamine. Next, condensation reactions. Next, condensation reaction. The condensation reaction means CH3 CH2 C triple bond N plus CH2 C triple bond N, that above CH3 acid. Both are propane nitrile. Catalyst sodium and ether. Sodium and ether. What happened? That one hydrogen released go to added here. Write the product CH3 CH2 C double bond NH. Triple bond N converted to double bond NH. CH CN CH3. That is condensation product. Next, react with ester. Example CH3 CH2 C double bond O OC2 H5 ethene propanate. React with the cyanide. Cyanide formula CH3Cn. What happen? Removal of alcohol. Presence of catalyst sodium NaNa2NH3 and presence of acid. First removal of alcohol C2H5OH. Remaining CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH2 Cn. 3 keto. 1 2 3 3 keto pentane. 1 2 3 4 5 including functional group. Pentane added CN9 Next tabby alkyl isocyanide. Isocyanide means N triple bond C. N triple bond C. The nomenclature also given page number 2 to 6. You got to read 1 mark side if any time is asked. First one, preparations from primary amine. From primary amines. Primary amine example CH3NH2, chloroform, potassium hydroxide. The combination is called what naming reactions? You find out carbylamine reactions. What happened means here 2 hydrogens, here 1, here 3. Totally 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So releasing of 3 H2O. Again, that chloroform will be removed. That means KCl will be removed. Remaining CH3N only present. CH3N only present. That methyl isocyanide. The next preparation means that is aliphatic. CH3 replaced by C6H5. Same reactions. First remove the water molecule. Second remove the potassium hydroxide from chloroform. Remaining C6H5 NC. Phenyl isocyanide. Next, second preparation from alkyl halides. From example, ethyl bromide CH3CH2 Br plus silver cyanide. Presence of catalyst alcohol C2H5OH, that is heat. Means what happened? You just analyze Ag and Br removed minus Ag Br remaining CH3 CH2 CNR and C NC only. Ethyl isocyanide. Third preparation from alkyl formamide CH3NH C double bond O H. Catalyst POCl3 phosphorus trichloride. In the presence of catalyst pyridine. Removed H2O only. Not removed hydrogen, oxygens. Removed H2O. Remaining CH3NC. CH3NC. Methyl isocyanide. Next, physical properties. They are colorless, highly unpleasant smelling, volatile liquid, and much more poisonous than the cyanides. They are only slightly soluble in water and soluble in organic solvents. They are relatively less polar than the alkyl cyanide. The melting point and boiling point lower than the cyanide. Next, chemical properties. First one, hydrolysis. CH3NC plus how many HO? 2 HO. Then both sides added 2 hydrogens. And 2 oxygens also added a right side. In the presence of catalyst acid only. CH3NH2. CH3NH2. Methylamine obtained. Plus acid also obtained. HCOO H will be obtained. Second term, reduction. Second term, reductions. Methyl isocyanate CH3NC react with the 4 hydrogens. Catalyst used sodium alcohol, otherwise nickel hydrogens. What happened? That right side added 3 hydrogen, left side added 1 hydrogen. CH3NH CH3 CH3NH CH3 dimethyl amine. Both side methyl group, so dimethyl amine. Next, isomerizations. Next, isomerization. Isomerization means that isocyanide converted to methyl cyanide is heated using temperature 250 degrees Celsius. CH3Cn. Isocyanide converted to methyl cyanide. Next, addition reactions. Next, addition reaction. C that here used commonly or NC plus X2. So gives or N C XX or NC plus S. So or N C double bond S, showing the double bond, or N triple bond C plus oxygens. Here used catalyst mercury oxide or ozone, or N double bond C double bond oxygens. Mercury oxygens are released. Next, uses of organic nitrogen compound. First one, nitroalkanes. Nitroalkane used for fuels for car, and chlorobenzene used for CCl NO2 used for insecticide in agriculture. Nitroethane used for fuel additive producers and exposure, and then the good solvent for polymer, cellulose, ester, synthetic rubber, and dyes, etc. 4% of ethyl nitrile alcohol known as sweet spread of nitrile and used diuretic. Next topic, nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is lubricating oils in motor and machineries and manufacturing of dyes, drugs, pesticide, synthetic rubbers, aniline, explosive like TNT and TNP. Cyanide and isocyanide. Cyanide and isocyanide intermediate of organic synthesis. Larger number of compounds like acetamide, ester, amine, etc. Nitriles and textile industry used manufacturing nitrile rubbers and also used a solvent, particularly perfume industry. That organic lesson will be completed. Many more students not watching that already teached. If you start revisions only, so carefully download and watch it 2 or 3 times. Very important. If you get more marks means without help organic chemistry not getting more marks. So carefully watch. Next, do you know that a cancer drug, Mysotin C, anti-cancer agent used for treatment of stomach and colon cancers containing assurance rings. That is Mysotin structure you have to practice. Next lesson, new lesson started in Unit 14, Biomolecules. All living things made up of many biomolecules. Example like such as carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids. All living things made up of many biomolecules such as carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids. In major element present in human body, body, what are the element present means carbon, hydrogens, oxygens, nitrogens, phosphorus, and they are combining from variety of biomolecules. Combining from variety of biomolecules. Biomolecule used for fuel. Used for fuel. What means necessary energy to various functions. Necessary energy to various various biomolecule functions. In living system, addition many other biological functions also. First one, carbohydrate. First one, carbohydrate. Carbohydrate most abundant organic compounds in every living organism. In Greek word, derived from Greek word SAKHERON means sugar. Saccharons means sugar, and many of them used sweet. Many of them used sweet. Now consider for hydrate of carbon containing hydrogen and oxygens. What are the containing in carbohydrate means carbon, hydrogens, oxygens only in same ratio in the water. Chemically defined polyhydroxy, carbohydrate also polyhydroxy aldehyde and ketones. Polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketones. Some common example is given glucose and sucrose, starch. Glucose is a monosaccharides. Sucrose is a disaccharide. Starch is a polysaccharide. Carbohydrate can synthesis by green leaves during the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. See the reaction. Carbon dioxide plus water molecules gives sunlight. One getting C6H12O6 plus 6 oxygen molecule. Carbon dioxide, water and sunlight means glucose will be obtained. This is called one of the carbohydrates. That monosaccharide will be obtained. Next, configuration of carbohydrates. Configuration of carbohydrate. Almost all carbohydrates are aptically active. Aptically active compounds. They have one or more chiral carbons. One or more chiral carbons. What is meant by chiral carbon means carbon attached 4 bonds also different. Means called chiral carbon. One or more chiral carbon. Chiral carbon means carbon attached 4 bond also different. That 4 bond means atom or molecules will be obtained. The number of chiral molecule K2 is counted means 2n isomers. 2n isomers. We have already learned in 11th standard also. An organic compound containing Fischer projection formula. You find out Fischer projection formula. In Fischer projection formula, structures of carbohydrate one of the two enantiomeric form. Two enantiomeric form of two enantiomeric form will be formed from glyceraldehyde. The base and this structure carbohydrate D and L. D and L. D means dextrorotatory, L means levorotatory. That D, either D means plus positive charge, L means negative. Carbohydrate assigned notation DL method also. Comparing configuration of carbon that join CH2OH groups. CH2OH group is used. For example, D-glucose is named because hydrogen and oxygens C5 carbon atom. Same configuration hydrogen and oxygen C2 carbon in D-glyceraldehyde.